हेलो, नमस्कार दोस्तों मेरे चैनल पे आप सभी का द्वारा से वेलकम है। तो यहाँ पे मैं अंग्रेजी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कि आप सभी सीख सको कि अंग्रेजी कैसे बोली जाती है। सो वी हैव टू द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस फॉर द इंग्लिश लर्निंग पर्पस, एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू राइट एंड यू हैव टू आल्सो स्पीक विद योर friends and all the things and like you are wanting to do, and उसके लिए आपको पहले लिखना पड़ेगा और सुनना पड़ेगा। और आपने क्या करना है, यूट्यूब में सुनो, लिसन, आफ्टर दैट you can also speak with your friends at 5 minutes. Today what happened that I have there were two my friends at my home, and we have done the discussion for the 5 minutes with the same topic. I have just given that topic to them. One was that was focus, and myself, and they have just spoken for that for the 5 minutes. So you have to do all the same thing, that you have to speak for the 5 minutes, and also you can write, and you can also if you are not able to talk for the 5 minutes, you can talk to 2 minutes, minimum 1 minute, and you have to get a set a alarm, and after that you have to complete for the 1 minute, and after that you have to increase the time for the 2 minutes. And you can also take the help of mirror. Like you have to record a video in the front of mirror while you are speaking, and you have to also face your expression, that what kind of expression are coming in the front of mirror. और आपने अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए डेडिकेटेड रहना है, और हमने जो सोचना है कि हम मैं कर सकता हूँ और मैं अंग्रेजी सीख सकता हूँ। उसके लिए सुनना, लिखना, पढ़ना, ये सारी बातें आपने करनी है। आप यू कैन आल्सो यूज द इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर, and from there you can write some words, like you are finding that this is a difficult word, and you can also find them from the Google, what is the meaning of that. After that you have to repeat those words, and also repeatedly you have to do all the things. And one thing you have to do, you are not finding that what you have to speak, you have to speak on the daily routine. Like you are doing something, and you have to also you can just speak in your mind that I'm doing this. No one speaking with you, so here I'm speaking with them. There is chair, there is one chair. Oh, it is morning time. Oh, bell is ringing in the temple. So every time which is coming in front of you, and you are thinking that this can be, so you have to speak for that. Okay, so now it was, I think so, that enough for today, and tomorrow you have to also come here with me for the English learning purpose. And daily you have to write the 5 words, like a vocabulary increasing. Write them on the notebook, and also find the words, what are the meaning of those words, and also you can use them in your sentence. There is wow, wall is very good, it is shining. So you can also make the sentences with your own. So okay, nice to talk to you. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye.